girl. All right, this is potassium chlorate. It says on the label that it's an oxidizing agent. And an oxidizing agent, well, we can say it provides oxygen for a chemical reaction, but what it really does is it provides something that takes electrons away from something else. And potassium chlorate is very good at doing that. Explosives need really good oxidizing agents. In fact, at the end of World War II, the Germans needed to make bombs inexpensively and quickly, so they used potassium chlorate, and they took ground up airplane parts, aluminum, and they ground it up into a fine powder, mixed it in the correct ratio with the potassium chlorate, put it in artillery shells, and they blew up real good. Now, we're not going to blow up aluminium today. We're going to do candy instead. So, I need actually from the class a couple of pieces of candy. Does anybody have any candy? Tic Tacs work well. Smarties work well. What do we have here, Miss Nara? Oh, sweets. We have a Starburst. Any other candy? Can't believe we have only one piece of candy in a class full of sophomores. Oh, what's that? Bubble gum will work. Sure, I'll take your gum. Mint gum works. I like mint gum. Any other candies? Orbit gum. All right.
I got Altoids.
I'll take an Altoid. Just throw it up here.
Oh, here, I'm going to take one. I'm going to eat a candy.
Well, I just need one. You gonna be the whole pack?
No, there's only one left.
Okay. Well, all right. I actually need one of these, so the rest are sort of like my little Halloween treat. Okay. We're going to put the potassium chloride in a test tube, and we're going to melt it, which in and of itself is sort of kind of cool because you don't oftentimes get to see an ionic compound melting. That should be enough. We'll turn the lights out. Kids in the front row will be able to see it melt. Kids in the back row won't be able to, but don't worry, once I add we'll go with the green Starburst, you'll be able to see very well from wherever you're sitting. You got that, Bailey?
Yeah.
Okay. We only need half of a Starburst. All right, if you're sitting at the front, you can actually see the outside edges inside the test tube beginning to melt away. Almost looks like wax melting. So Ani, can you see that? You can't see it melting? Trust me, it is. It's almost all melted. We'll wait till it's melted, then we'll turn the flame off, and we'll add our candy. All right. We're all melted. Turn the flame away, and here we go, kiddos. Okay, not too bad. That's good. Press the red button again.